Hello friends, welcome back to Smartphone World. Xiaomi recently launched the Redmi Note 6 Pro in India, and in this video we are going to pit Note 6 Pro in a speed test against its predecessor, the Note 5 Pro. Both phones are powered by the same old budget processor from Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 636 with 4GB of RAM. Out of the box, both phones run Android Oreo with MIUI 10 on top. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you guys don't miss any of our future videos. While you are down there, enter Amazon gift card giveaway. Let's kick things off with a boot up test. Redmi Note 5 Pro and Note 6 Pro took the same time, around 28 seconds, to get things up and running. Both phones will be connected to the same wireless network and all backgrounding apps have been cleared. Let's start the timer. First off, let me open some system-based apps on both phones. When opening basic apps like Phone, Settings, Instagram, both phones were neck on neck and took the same time to load the apps. Moving on, we load games on both phones to check the performance of the processor. Even though both phones have the same processor under the hood, you can notice a small lag on Note 5 Pro. This is because I have been using Note 5 Pro as my daily driver for the past 1 year, and it's quite normal to have minor stutters and delay. This were advantage to all new Note 6 Pro, which took just 84 seconds to finish the first round. On the other hand, Note 5 Pro took 93 seconds to finish the speed test round. In the second round, we will draw apps in reverse order to check the RAM management capabilities of both phones. Both phones perform way better than other budget smartphones in this price segment and managed to keep most of the apps in memory. To my surprise, Note 5 Pro managed to keep most of the apps and games in memory and just started reloading apps from Amazon. It's worth noting that there are occasional lags as I'm trying to switch between apps quite frequently in Note 5 Pro. On the other hand, Note 6 Pro managed to keep most of the apps in memory except Smash It and cruise the second round in just 25 seconds. Note 5 Pro took 45 seconds to finish the second round. The winner of the speed test is Note 6 Pro, but we'll have to perform the same test after 6 months so that we can get a clear picture on how both phones will perform in the long run. So what do you guys think about Redmi Note 6 Pro? Is it a worthy successor to Note 5 Pro? Share your thoughts on the comment section. If you guys do like the video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to Smartphone World for more tech and gaming videos. As always, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video and you guys have a great day.